Welcome back to Sawdust and Lugnuts. Today we're here at my cousin's house picking up that right there, a walk-in cooler to hang elk and deer in. He moved to California and I traded him out of it before he left. I worked a deal with Paul on the old 52 Packard.
That's cool. Drive clear across the country to get one of these, and there was one in Orderville the whole time.
I know, that's crazy.
Yep, that's for sure.
Sweet. To move the walk-in, I think he's bringing his rollback. We're just going to back into it, hook onto it, take it up to Glendale to my other shop. Yep, there he comes right there. Morning.
Decided today was a good day to plant that, so.
Today's the day. Oh, there's a couple little antique cars in here Richard wanted you to have for your kids.
Oh, really? Look at that.
That looks like a Impala.
Yeah.
And then I'm not sure what that is.
That thing's cool.
Yeah, those are old. Richard wanted you to have those.
Oh, I'll take them.
For your kids.
I don't know if I'll give them to my kids or not.
Put them in the office.
This thing's huge.
Yeah, look at this. It's got poles and hooks.
How hard is it going to be to wire it up?
So easy. There's a plug on the back. It's 110. It's going to be really easy. That's going to be a piece of cake. We got her loaded and now we're headed to Glendale. We'll put this at my other shop. There's no substitute for the right equipment. I was going to try to do that with my car hauler and a skid, and nah, this is going to work way better. Looks like she wanted to slide off, so they're strapping her down a little better. She got a little teetery. Yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea.
Tried to slide side to side.
I seen that. Better safe than sorry. That little reefer box is kind of top heavy, so they readjusted it and strapped her down a little better. There she comes. Door's wide open. Pretty soupy right here. You may want to just put it on the road. I'm not sure what we're going to do. He might be getting stuck. It's pretty soupy.
Yeah, where you want it?
So I'm thinking, without getting you stuck, just pull up in there and just dump it as close down there, and I'll just spot it with my skid. Because I don't think you get out of that crap. No. Yeah, I can pull you out.
Where are you putting it eventually?
Just right back in there. Crazy bugger. he's gonna do it. It's gonna be soupier than soup. Oh. Well, we may be using a Yankum here in a minute. Perfect, perfect. That's awesome. There's a little sticky, isn't it?
Push it, push jumper? Yeah, jump up and just push it. It'll slide.
There she goes.
There we go.
Whoa!
Touching the building.
It's all right. There you go.
Alright. I'm going to ease forward just a little. It's touching too hard.
Yeah, your bumper's dragging, isn't it?
Jump in and pop the brakes off. Push it in. Hey, pop on again. Debt paid.
There you go. If you can't get out, I'll tug you.
All right, may need it.
Okay. That did way better than I thought it was gonna do. I can't believe he got in and out with dualies, but he's a crazy sucker, so. Well, there you have it. We are the proud owners of a new walk-in cooler. Now we gotta go fill that thing full of elk.